Not in the bed.
Check it. Nah, Freddy, you're ugly and dark. Boy, you look like the shit that comes from my fart. Nah, shut the fuck up with that ugly ass hair. You know what? Get the fuck out of here. Boy, I don't like you no more. Cause you talk all this shit and you look like an ugly ass mole. Yes, bitch, you know what? You dirty and yeah, you look like a piece of shit. Boy, I'm over here just begging on your ass. What you gonna do? You gonna attack on my ass? Back, just like I'm doing right now. You piece of shit. You fucking smell like I don't know, boo. Shut the fuck up, cause you're not even rapping. You sound like rapping. I'ma fucking start slapping. Boo, yeah, you know that I just fucking flow quick shit. Now you already fucking know when I spit. All these bitches jump to the floor and they start shaking their ass cause they want some more. On that Big Daddy, I'm a G. Yeah, you know what? I'm a straight VIP. Now I'm chilling at Land. Yes, bitch, I can't speak English, but I don't give a fuck cause I still am tight. Yeah, I know I mistake it and I am right.